on the level. Okay, folks, polynomial long division. I know it sounds like, I don't know, whatever, crazy, but it's not difficult at all, okay? I want to actually do a problem like we used to do, long division. 8 into 356, or not 356, let's make it 376, okay? 376. So say 8 goes into 37 4 times, so we divided. Now we need to multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. Now we're going to subtract. 37 minus 32 is 5. Now we're going to bring down the 6. 8 goes into 56 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. None left over. Okay? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And then you just start over again. Divide, and then you multiply 7 times 8 to get 56. Then you subtract and you get 0. And we don't have anything left to bring down. You just keep going through that pattern. You're going to do the same thing with this polynomial fraction. Okay? Now remember, the number in the numerator always goes on top. So I'm going to write it x squared minus x minus 12. It goes inside the house. The number in the numerator goes inside the house. The denominator goes outside the house. Okay? The first thing I'm going to do is divide. But when I divide, and I'm going to put a little circle around this one. Okay? Because there's one special thing we need to do when we divide. How many times will x go into x squared? So we're dividing, but let me ask that a different way. What do I multiply x by to get x squared, right? X. So I'm just going to write x, and I'm going to put it on top of the x. I'm just going to line those up there. Okay? So now I've divided. I only look at the first numbers. I mean, what do I multiply x by to get x squared? X. Now I need to multiply. X times x gives me x squared, and I put them right under each other. X times minus 4 gives me minus 4x. And then I'm going to draw a line here. You see I put x's under x because we can only combine like terms. Right? Now, after I multiply, I subtract. X squared minus x squared, those just cancel. There's nothing underneath them. Let me ask you this. What about minus 1x minus negative 4x? Trey? Minus x minus negative 4x. Or you can just think about the numbers. Minus 1 minus negative 4.
Positive 3?
Positive 3x.
Oh, okay.
Right? Think about this, and I'm going to put a negative sign, or I'm going to put a subtraction sign out here. Negative 1x minus negative 4x is the same as negative 1x plus 4x. Okay? And now, the next step, bring down. Okay? Now, Tucker, what do I multiply x by to get 3x? All right, so I'm going to put plus 3. Constants on top of constants. Okay? Emma, 3 times x is 3x. Line them up. Emma, 3 times negative 4 is?
12.
Not 12, but negative 12. Exactly. Now, 3x minus 3x, nothing. Cancels out. Negative 12 minus negative 12 is what, Bella? Nothing, or 0. I have no remainder there. So what is my answer, Gatlin? X plus 3. Done. Now let me answer Trey's question quickly. Trey?
Can you just done the x minus 4 times x minus 3 over x minus 4 if you just do the whole thing?
Okay, what Trey is asking us is, can I just go ahead and factor that and cancel? I'm going to say no. If I ask you to do a long division, I want to see it like this, okay?